Going on, boys? It's your boy Tay Screwhead, and I'm back with another Impala video. Today I'm gonna be doing this first oil change. So we got 5W30. Gonna put some Valvoline. We have a Valvoline filter, so we're just gonna go with this old one. The one with extended protection. I was gonna go with the K&N filter, but I didn't have it, so I was like, screw it. Went ahead and cleaned her off too, so she's looking good. Sunny day outside. Got the Buick sitting on Vogues. I know y'all see that, man. Yeah. I know it's been a while, so go ahead and start on this. It's like little weld spots, splats. Oh no, it ain't good. Hell no. And this is from factory, but I don't know. My belt. Ooh, this thing's hot. There goes, boy. We got the oil going in though. Hell yeah, she's black. Black as fuck. There goes, boys. Oh man. First oil change. What do y'all think this is, guys? Looks like we got a little leak. There's oil right here.
The hop, you right.
I got it.
Don't let it come down, or it's gonna drip.
She gonna have a lot of oil.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
motherfucker, this bitch is hot.
Yeah, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it drip, let it drip. There you go. It's gonna drip a lot.
Damn, boy.
The oil stuck on there.
You got another towel, bro? Thanks. Trying to take that shit off. Damn. This is a FVP filter. I ain't never heard of it either.
Spraying everywhere, bro. This is like one time I was working at Castro and that's when it happened to me.
Yeah?
I was just trying to hurry up.
Damn, how much were they paying you there? 12?
$10 I think.
Oh, hell.
Well, I don't remember. I think so, like 11 or 12. I got like 10 or 11 when I started, and like in a month I got a raise for $1. And then I got like 11 or 12 after that.
Well, not too bad, I guess. Oh, shit.
Bruh.
Oh, you
No, I did
mother.
not just see that.
Fuck, no.
Damn, look at all that oil. Look at my put that shit in
Fuck.
there. Man, you tripping. You be slipping, bro. You should have came like right here on this side. You went the wrong way.
Fuck.
That's just gonna stink when you burn that shit off.
What the clean right now? You can smell it.
It don't matter. You have to go back to the car wash. Spray that shit. Hopefully you didn't record that. That's just gonna stink bad in your car. Slow down, bro. It's not a race.
Trying to clean it before it gets off.
No, it don't matter, bro. It's already on there. Don't worry about that. It's too late to worry about that. You should have worried about that before you poured it in there.
Shit, I was trying to.
I can't tell you fucking dumped that shit on there. I was like, God damn, you didn't even try to test it to see where it was at.
Oh yeah, boy. Alright guys, and just like that, we're done with the oil change, boys. Time to close this hood. This monster hood. Actually, let me check if it's tight. Yeah, it's on there good. The monster.
Don't want it too long.
Yeah, boys. The antenna's tricked out. Take this fucking sticker off. That shit's hard, bro. I know what you're talking about. Take that shit off. I like that. Man, good. Looking good.
Pull it down a little bit so you can check the hole level.
Oh yeah. So a little update on the Impala. Reason why I haven't been driving it. So I got in a little accident with it. Got too excited with this car, guys, and ended up fucking hitting the fucking curve. That's what happened. And now this side sits a little bit more in than this side. I hit the pedal to the metal and I swing too much. Went inside a ditch and hit a fucking like a post sign. And then yep. Now this side is sitting a little bit more to the left than that one.
So they ask you how's it hanging? A little bit to the left.
For real. See how that's see that gap? At first it was my control arm or axle. So I got an axle, wheel bearing and all that, I replaced it. And then because it was shaking, and then I got that replaced and it was good. And then after I got it back from the shop, I noticed that it was sitting a little bit weird. The shop where they put the new axle, they told me that the frame's not bent, and they showed me it doesn't look bent. So I got an appointment tomorrow actually, so they can get a quote on it, see how much it is going to be to get it fixed. But I don't even know if it's worth it. Like, if I'm finna put like 22s, 24s on this, I don't know.
Definitely can't do it now.
Shit, definitely can't do it now. Shit, for real. Let's see how this baby looks from the outside.
Man, they're so dry though. Look at that shit. It's just a fork.
Shit. Damn. Right, it's looking good. Battery sucks on these GoPros. They're about to die already. Alright, boys, that's gonna be it for this video. Just a little update on the Impala. Hope y'all liked it. I'll keep y'all updated with the Impala, man. I ain't done with it. I still got some stuff. I'm really trying to get the rear fixed up real quick before I do anything else on it. But she's coming together. She ain't perfect. We gonna make it perfect, guys. Give a like, subscribe, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.